Hi students, welcome you to my third lecture on the topic Rising Power of the Company. In this class, we will briefly discuss about Battle of Plassey as well as Battle of Buxar. Dear students, the British began abusing the trade privilege granted to them from time to time. When Nawab Siraj-Dowla asked them to pull down the illegal fortification at Fort Williams, the Britishers refused. Fortification means a defensive wall built to strengthen a place against attack. Okay, students? In return, the forces of the Nawab captured Calcutta. The British General Robert Clive did not like the Nawab's attitude. He wanted to see more obliging Nawab in Bengal in place of Siraj-Dowla. The Battle of Plassey fought between Nawab Siraj-Dowla and British in the year 1757. By the treachery of Mir Jafar. Treachery means disloyalty or faithlessness. Okay? By the treachery of Mir Jafar and Rai Durlab, the Nawab lost the battle. The Battle of Plassey is a remarkable event in modern history as it paved the path for the success of the British. Mir Jafar was proclaimed the Nawab of Bengal, who granted the company right to free trade in Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. Now we will discuss about the Battle of Buxar. Battle of Buxar was fought on 22nd October in 1764 between British East India Company and Mughal army led by Nawab of Awadh, Mir Qasim and Mughal Emperor Shah Alam. The battle was fought in Buxar, which is a territory of Bengal. It is situated on the bank of Ganga river. Mughal army has over 40,000 soldiers, while Britishers were only 10,000. Due to the lack of coordination between the Mughal emperors, they lost the battle severely. Result of the Battle of Buxar. The following are the result of the Battle of Buxar. Robert Clive became the governor of Bengal for the second time in 1765. Nawab Siraj-Dowla was made to pay a war compensation of rupees 50 lakh to company. The Mughal Emperor Shah Alam was granted an annual subsidy of rupees 26 lakhs. In return, he granted to the company the power of Diwani, the right to collect revenue of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. In this way, the Battle of Buxar made the British superpower in India. Today's class is over. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.